Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting all WhatsApp photos on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Photos app on your phone. In Photos, tap on Albums at the bottom. Scroll down the albums until you see an album called WhatsApp. Open that album. Tap Select in the top right corner. Then tap Select All in the top left corner. Tap the trash icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap Delete on the pop-up. Tap Delete Items. Go back to the Albums page and tap Edit in the top right corner. Then tap the minus icon in the top left corner of the WhatsApp album and tap Delete Album on the pop-up. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.